Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope everyone's doing well. Today's video is going to be a few things that I've already unboxed, but didn't do a video of. Who really wants to see, too much of shit coming out of a box. It's more of what's in the box that counts. So stay tuned. Alright, so this first unboxing that I picked up is something that I'm hoping that can help me make my channel a little bit better by, just adding some more editing effects to my channel. Now, the color of this might be a little bit of a threat to somebody out there, or might get them excited, don't know. But what it is a green screen. So I figured I could hang this behind me, kind of like how I do with the gray blanket that I have to hide all the tools and stuff. This is a 10 by 10, so it should be plenty big to hang up behind me and, do some video editing, some fancy shit while I'm playing guitar, fixing guitar, or doing whatever. Now, the next thing that I have is something that I picked up on, or I ordered it on December 1st, and it came yesterday. This is a little something that I've been kind of looking for in a guitar for a while now, and Ibanez is the only one that kind of carries what I'm looking for. Now, Ibanez has a few different tremolos. You have the regular one that kind of looks like a Fender type tremolo that Ibanez has. Then you have the Edge tremolo. Then you have this one here, and this is kind of one that I've been looking for a while in an Ibanez guitar. Alright, so you can see that the guitar came with a case. Case is in pretty damn good shape. It's not broken or anything or cracked. It's pretty much a hard shell case. The only thing is the feet on the bottom are broken, which is not really that big of a deal to me. So let's open the box. So right off, you see the case has got a nice cloth interior, form fitted, lots of padding. Now this Ibanez guitar is a 2003, another S series I've got. The only thing is with this guitar is it's a weird finish on it, and I did find out that this is a finish that Ibanez came out with. I'm going to also put up the serial number and stuff so you guys can see or look back to see what the hell this thing is as well. Now, it's a S470DX Ibanez thin line electric guitar with the tremolo that is hinged on it. It doesn't have the mounting pins where it's got the little V cut on the bottom and there's blades that fit in it. So this is it. As you can see, it's got the hinge on there, and I'll show that to you. These are supposed to be a little bit more stable as far as having some type of a tremolo or Floyd Rose. This has the S-shaped fret markers on there again. It is a maple neck and a mahogany body. It's painted, but this is a weird paint. It does have a, not so much, you can call it a metal flake, you can call it a pearl in it, but it's also textured. And hopefully I can kind of get that in, the texturing inside of the camera. I think it's pretty unique. From what I've read, it's kind of rare, but, not too sure what you believe on the internet anyways. Now, the person that I bought this from said that there was some scratching on the back, which was the back plate where the tremolo cover, or the back cover is where the springs are. Now this does have the stabilizer in it as well. This one, instead of having a slide, it has got a Allen key. Come to find out that the guy didn't peel off. I started peeling this off when I opened up when I unboxed it, but he didn't peel off all of the, or any of the plastic that is on the back of the control panels and cover. Binding going up the neck, very, very thin. I can't believe how thin this neck is. The wizard neck, it's very fucking thin on this thing. Got the locking nut, normal Ibanez logo. Got the binding going through. Nice frets. The frets on here are not bad at all. There is a little bit of wear, so there is a little bit of indentation underneath some of the strings, but all in all, it is not bad. Now, the chrome plates here have some wearing on them. I'm hoping maybe I could polish that out, or I can easily replace these with no problem. The pickups on this thing are supposed to be pretty nice pickups. And some of these came with a piezo, whatever you guys want to call it, for acoustic. Not all of them came with it. I'm not too sure if this one did or not, so I'm going to do some more research. I am going to take it apart. I am going to start cleaning this thing up, replacing some screws because the plating on the screws kind of wore off. 5-way selector switch, tone, volume. The knobs are worn. So this thing for 2003, this thing really did get played and used, but it's in very, very good shape. This has got the C serial number on it, so this was made in the Court factory. Very nice, lightweight. I don't know, not too much more I can really get into as details with this thing other than just a minor cleanup job. I do have to take the bridge apart and kind of clean up. It's got some dust inside there. Did have or come with the whammy bar for this. And like I said, I've been looking for this style of a bridge for a long time. This type of tremolo bridge where it's hinged instead of having the 2 pins. But every time I come across one of these on eBay, starts off with a very low price, but a lot of these have sold for like $500, $600, $700. And kind of like, yeah, I'm not going to spend that much for a used guitar. So especially not really knowing exactly from the pictures what shape it is in. I mean, pictures do show some details, but not always. But when I got it and I saw the way this paint job was, now this is a matte finish, so there shouldn't be too much of a gloss on it. Like, okay, this was resprayed. And came across some stuff on the internet. Nope, this is stock color, stock finish, and yeah. So it does have a scarf joint in the neck. And, you know, basic Ibanez tuners and shit. So, again, pretty nice, lightweight, not very heavy for a mahogany body. It's very thin. And, yeah, add this to my collection. So, I know some of you guys have been waiting for me to do a guitar video playing some of these guitars that I've been getting. And that'll be coming up. I've been taking my time, doing my thing, and, you know, hopefully my next video for playing is going to be more of a cover than playing along with the music. So you guys take it easy, have a good one, and I'm going to start tearing apart stuff again.